So we have seen the main heading is multimode fiber joints. In multimode, we come across both step index, graded index. Hence, lateral alignment loss, misalignment loss, it is how we can get in the multimode step index. We have got two equations. One is the lateral coupling efficiency and one is the losses in dB. This is for step index, जहाँ पे refractive index constant होगा. Coming to the graded index fiber, where a parabolic refractive index profile exists, which is actually dependent upon alpha. According to the alpha value, आपका refractive index profile का shape change होते जाएगा. You can just recall and go back and check. We have got one graph also for different values of alpha, how the RI profile is changing. So it is RI alpha dependent for graded index fiber, and we have got LT equation here, and the coupling efficiency is 1 minus LT. If I substitute parabolic refractive index profile alpha is equal to 2, substitute here. Here alpha is 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 by 3, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 by 3 pi. 8 by 3 pi is 0.85. This is for only guided modes if I consider, and these guided modes are carrying equal amount of power. But suppose if I consider leaky modes also, then LT equation will change. It is not 0.85, it is 0.75 if you include leaky modes. Now let us go to two problems. One is the step index, the other one is graded index. First problem, step index fiber, it has got a core refractive index 1.5, N1 is given to you, core diameter 50 micrometer, diameter is given, not the radius. So radius will be 25. The fiber is jointed with a lateral misalignment between the core axis. That is offset कितना है वो दिए हैं. What is the misalignment amount? That is 5 micrometer. Estimate the insertion loss. Insertion loss means the attenuation. Okay. So it is at the joint due to this lateral misalignment. So there are two cases here. One is when there is a small air gap at the joint. Okay, if air is filled in between. And if the second case is if the joint it is index matched, that is you are using it to make a perfect losses minimum. So solution, just now we have seen what is the coupling efficiency. Two equations we have seen. One is coupling efficiency and one is the losses. Coupling efficiency formula I have written a bigger formula. Here N1 is given to you 1.5. We are considering the first solution, that is when the small gap is filled with air. That's why N is taken as 1 for first solution. So substitute the values. 16 into N1 is 1.5 divided by 1. 1 plus 1.5 divided by 1. Then 1 by pi 2 cos inverse. Offset value is given to you. Kitna difference hai? 5 micrometer. And 2A. A is the core radius. So 2 into radius is diameter 50 hai, radius 25 hai. So again 2 into 25, you get 50 only. A is 25. Yes, that's it. So you substitute all the values. Try to go in steps. Simplify this. You have got many brackets here. Open the brackets one by one. Okay, from the inner to the outer. You will get the coupling efficiency as 0.804. Okay. If you get this efficiency, the loss is equal to minus 10 log to the base 10, this value 0.804. If you calculate this, you will get 0.95 dB loss. This is for multimode step index fiber, जहाँ पे gap में air is the medium. There is a small air gap at the joint. Now coming to the second solution. When we consider that the joint, it has got index matched fluid. Okay, there is a matching to reduce the losses. If I do that, what is the meaning of index matching? We will use a medium whose refractive index is equal to core refractive index. ये दोनों के value same होंगे. N1 is equal to N. So if you take that, N1 is equal to 1, what will be the equation? N1 is equal to 1. Both are same values, cancels, it is 1. So only 16 will remain in the numerator, divided by 1 plus same values 1 plus 1. So 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So both gets cancelled. Here the complete this value is 1. So I have not written anything here. It is nothing but 1. And 1 by pi, 2 cos inverse y by 2a. Remaining all values are same. You can see the inner values all are same. Just the difference is here. The difference is in n1 and n. If you take air, you should consider here n as 1. If you take index match, both are equal. So they get cancelled. The value is 1. So you simplify this, you get it as 0.872. And if the coupling efficiency is known to you, loss is given by minus 10 log this value, 0.872. So it is coming up to 0.59, that is around 0.6. So you can observe what are the comparative values, 0.95 and 0.59. Which one is less? If you are index matching, you know, you are making the medium, जो भी medium है in between, you are making that material's refractive index equal to the core refractive index. If you are making that equal, you are getting low losses. 0.59, you can see 0.95. ये ज़्यादा है. One more problem based on the graded index fiber. A graded index fiber has a parabolic refractive index profile. So alpha is not given. Indirectly, they have given you parabolic refractive index profile. So alpha is taken as 2. Core diameter is given, not the radius. Diameter is given 50 micrometer. You need to estimate the loss, insertion loss or the attenuation due to 3 micrometer lateral misalignment. Earlier 5 micrometer was given. Here it is 3 micrometer. At a fiber joint, when there is index matching and assuming index matching, n1 is equal to n, and assuming first there is a uniform illumination of all guided modes. Uniform illumination means all the guided modes have equal amount of power while transmitting. And second, there is a uniform illumination of all guided and leaky modes. So you should consider leaky modes also here along with guided modes. So again, we have taken 2 formulas here. Lateral misalignment for first case, when only guided modes are considered, LT value, the offset value, lateral offset, you can just see here what was the lateral offset. So many highlightings. Let me erase it. Okay, lateral offset is given for the graded index fiber 2 by pi y by a. Alpha, it is dependent upon the refractive index gradient alpha, alpha plus 2 by alpha plus 1. But for parabolic refractive index profile, alpha equals to 2, substitute kar do, you will get this. This is only for guided modes. If you consider only guided modes, and all those modes are having equal power. So 0.85 y by a. So take that formula for the first solution. Taking 0.85 y by a. Y is given offset value 3 micrometer and a radius. Diameter is 50, radius will be 25. So you will get this LT, lateral offset as 0.102 and coupling efficiency is 1 minus LT. So substitute that, you will get 0.898. And what is the loss? Again, loss is minus 10 log to the base 10 coupling efficiency. The loss equation is same for both step index and graded index. So minus 10 log to the base 10, 0.898, it is 0.47 decibels. Ye, if you consider only guided modes. Now, you calculate for the second. The second solution is, if you assume the uniform illumination of both guided and leaky modes. So the equation will change now. It is not 0.85. This time, LT equation is 0.75 y by a. That is the difference. If you consider leaky modes, it is 0.75. If you don't consider, if you take only guided modes, it is 0.85. So that is the difference in the formulae. Substitute 0.75. This is same, 3 by 25. You can see 3 by 25 is both same. This value is 0.85 for first solution. It is 0.75 for second solution. So LT value is a little more. 0.898 यहाँ पे था. It is 0.090. A little more. Hence, it is the coupling efficiency is 1 minus LT. Substitute that, you will get 0.910. The losses, if you take minus 10 log this coupling efficiency value 0.910, you will get 0.41 dB. So you see it is 0.47 here if you have 0.41 dB. So the losses are less if you consider the guided as well as the leaky modes. Okay, these are the two problems that are specified for lateral misalignment loss. Okay, the next is we need to see how we can get the angular misalignment losses both in step index, multimode step index fiber and multimode graded index fiber. So because we are not considering longitudinal misalignment, we are majorly concentrating on lateral and angular because they are more serious compared to the longitudinal. So we are checking into only these two different misalignments in multimode step index, multimode graded index. So this is for multimode. Similarly, we should go for single mode also. Okay, single mode fiber joint also. So that I'll be dealing in the next session.